Hey there, welcome to DollMotion! About 20 years ago, I started to collect Pokémon Tomy figures. Lucky, these figures are still being made to this day, by company Takara Tomy. To make this unboxing video, I saved up every new Pokémon figure for over 4 months. Yeah, I could not have done this as a kid, but now we have a lot of stuff to unbox. Let's use the magic of editing to unbox these. Although I love their packaging, I'm not so happy with all the packaging stuff I'm left with. They really should think of a solution for this. Anywho, let's focus on the figures and unbox this special Pikachu box. Yeah, I really want to unbox this on camera, because this is a 20 years anniversary box, with Pikachus wearing caps from almost every Pokémon region. They have the exactly same body molds, except for their faces. Some have a smile, look angry, or have an open mouth. I also thinking I'll be keeping this displayed in box, because I have more than enough Pikachus on my shelf. Next up we have Alolan Marowak. This is a big figure with movable parts. Just like its other releases, they made the flames on his bone transparent. Something I really like. Then we have one of the Guardians, Tapu Fini. It doesn't have any movable parts, but it does come at the stand, which you're probably going to lose if you're a child. I'm very happy I finally completed the Guardian quartet. Next we have a hyper-sized figure. These are bigger than normal figures and have movable parts. I also have a normal sized figure of his first evolution. Then we have a Lycanroc Midnight Form. I already unboxed one about a year ago, but this is an international release. It looks exactly like the Japanese release, but it's bigger and has movable parts. Like the first one, it can also not stand on its own. I unboxed another Lycanroc, Ash's Dusk Form Lycanroc. It has a great pose and a color. And it also doesn't have the crazy red eyes as the first release. Next up we have the legendary birds, beginning with Moltres. These are the special hyper-sized versions with movable parts. Well, they can flap their wings a little bit. Here's a comparison with older figures. Articuno also has the movable wings. The tail could have been thinner and longer, but it does help keeping the figure to stand up. And here are all its previous releases. Same story with Zapdos. Movable wings and his tail makes him stand up. I really hope they will make hyper-sized figures of the legendary beasts in the future. Then we have a little cute Alolan Sandshrew. It looks great, but I'm not happy with the printing on its belly. They could have done that on its back or feet. Next up is a 2-pack Pikachu and Alolan Vulpix. Alolan Vulpix is really getting a lot of love with the Pokémon merchandise lately, so I already have 2 other versions. Alolan Vulpix can be a very good custom. Then we have another Pikachu, an Eevee and Polipo. Here we have the newest and oldest release of Pikachu, and here we have Eevee. Next up we have the Goodnight Friends Series. These you can only get out of a toy vending machine. But they can also be bought as a lot from eBay. They are also by Takara Tomy and have the same quality as the packed figures. First we have Snorlax, Rotom, Jigglypuff, and again Alolan Vulpix. The new Zeraora got 2 figure releases. A big movable figure and a standard figure that came with a Pokeball and stickers. Also on the packaging there is a warning for the toy Pokeball, but it looks more like someone is throwing up. Wow, he's not very impressed. Come on kid, you got some Pokémon! And here we have, well, more Pikachu. Like I don't have enough yellow on my shelf. But still, they are so cute. We have a few that are sleeping, one that's giggling, oh, and one can be placed on a mug. I think I will place it on my computer, so it can keep me company. But I'm editing, well, this video. Wow, I can't believe you want so many plushies for me.
I'm happy you like them.
Oh, my dad called this morning. He said he would really like to meet my new boyfriend.
I would love to meet your dad.
They are the only family I have, being adopted and all. What's it like to have so many siblings? I always forget all their names.
Well, Sabrina and Daisy, you know. I also have a younger brother named Felix and an older sister named Violet. But she has been missing for a while now. I really hope she turns up one day. But hey, what's your favorite Pokémon?
Let's see. I like Vulpix, Zeraora, Eevee, and Fennekin.
So you like Fox Pokémon?
Yeah, I love fox Pokémon. Alex?
Penny?
I'm still in love with you. I want to be with you.
Penny? Vulpini? That's not funny. Using your powers like that.
Yeah, I'm sorry. But your face is just priceless.
I'm already feeling bad about the whole situation.
Sorry, I got you in this mess. Telling you she loves you and all.
I would have had the same feelings for her when I saw her with Beerus anyway.
What's so special about Beerus? So what? He's tall, handsome, and has 2 different colored eyes. What does he do for a living?
He's a model for a fashion brand.
What? Wow, you can shake it. Benny loved you for over 5 years. That doesn't go away so fast. Just wait, brother. And go focus on something else, like Halloween. You're going to throw a Halloween party this year, right?
Yeah, I'll throw a party this year. You're also going to be there, right?
Yeah, I'll probably drop by later. You like skeletons, nightmares, and monsters, right? There will be a spooky video coming up, so definitely don't miss the next repaint video. I would like to thank my lovely patrons for their support. And like always, like if you liked it and sub if you loved it. See you in the next Halloween video. Bye!